Good morning. I will continue the chapter number 11, the bow, and I'm going to start from page number 113. It is the second scene, and Vishwamitra is there. Ram, you have done well. Now he is telling to Ram that you have done very well and you have succeeded in all the tasks which I have told you. I am really feeling proud of you. The Vishwamitra told to Ram. Now Ram is a very obedient, so he told, "Thank you, Guruji, and without your blessing, it is impossible." And now there is one more task, he told. There is another task. Guruji, you have only to ask. Now he is telling that to say what I have to do. I want both of you should come with me. Where? Mithila. There is a court of a King Janak. And what the King Janak of Mithila wishes? He wishes to give his daughter Princess Sita. He wants to marry it, but he has given a test there. He will give his daughter to that person who will lift the bow of Shiva. The bow of Shiva. It is a great difficult task, Vishwamitra told. It is not an easy one. As you know, nobody has managed to lift it. Till now, nobody has lifted that bow. No ordinary man or a crowd can come near it. The person who is selfish is unable to go near it. So, it is a very difficult task. Only a brave and a pure heart can do that. Are we going to watch the contest? The Lakshman asked. Vishwamitra smiled there and he told, just wait and relax. Have a passion in your patience in yourself. And again the lady in the, it is scene third, the lady in the waiting told Princess, look, all the prince, and surely one of them will be your husband. What the Sita told? Sita told, none of them, nobody will be able to lift the bow. She knew everything, that who is going to do such a type of a brave thing. Lady, those who were waiting, told, oh princess, how can you say that? Surely one of them will be there who can lift the bow, and you will have to marry him. So please be kind and have a look towards the princess. You heard what His Majesty said. We shall see, Sita told. Okay, then wait and relax. His Royal Majesty King Janak of Mithila was there, and he just took a place on the throne. He sat there. Your Majesty, everything is ready. One of the ministers told him. Then let them begin. Now he told, okay, now start the game. The minister, the royal princess, His Royal Majesty King Janak of Mithila, he is announcing that, bid you all are welcome here. He invites you to lift the great bow of Shiva. He who can lift the bow and string, it will win the hand of a beautiful Sita. He just mentioned that those who will just lift it will have to marry with the Sita. Thank you, everyone.